Oh, hello. It looks like it's another beautiful sunshiny day today. We're getting spoiled with all these pretty days. It's going to get up to 94. And I am going to go singing today. I've got 2 singing appointments and then sing again tomorrow. I'll probably video tomorrow, but and I might video a little bit today. But let's see what today brings. A little bit lost. The GPS took me to the rehabilitation center. Okay, it happens to be a year ago that we sang here and Sherry had her foot operated on. And now she's got the plate taken out. You said you wanted it out.
It's doing better. You don't want to see that.
The reason she throws off is because of the medicine.
All the screws.
Oh, both sides. Oh, wow.
Both sides and the metal plate. This had a metal plate and some screws, and this had screws. So.
Wow. Now you'll be clogging in no time.
Good.
Thank you so much.
I am a big John Denver fan, so I'm really excited.
Oh, yay. And Sherry said, let's go eat lunch on our singing money. Made it back and brought Papa O some KFC since we went out and ate at Cafe Rio. Oh, hello, I'm down here in American Fork. This is where I went to school and stuff. We're going to sing for teachers' 60th class reunion. Boy, that'll be fun with Judy and Elisa. So let's see what today brings. Okay, this is Ingersoll's grandson. What's your name?
Yep.
Bo.
And they're going to give us a ride to the back. Of 1950. And here's their little display they have, and it says, "Old age ain't for sissies." There's Mr. Ingersoll right there. He's got to be 85. Looking good. Well, Judy's here. You're going to have to be Rosanne. He thinks I'm Judy. I rode the golf cart. No, you guys just drive in.
I should have listened to myself to wear red.
I know. You see, I got my red boots on. Judy's got a red shirt. Which, I don't know if I got married first or was born first. I don't think that's how it's supposed to go. Says the reason we're all here is because we're not all there. Well, he wanted to go cute instead of red. Instead of red. Don't get your fingers. Okay, you ready? All right. Uh-oh. And don't start laughing. Lisa says these are either getting heavy or you're getting weaker.
Yeah, James and Kathy's reunion's tonight. She's going all the way home so she can curl her hair and come back.
Look how cute that bag is. And Lisa's got her guitar.
Sister Lisa, the youngest, and Rosanne's here. She's a year older than me, right? Here we go. Yeah, I like it when we sing to people that are older than me because it takes them longer to leave if they don't like it.
I was waltzing with my
my darling, to the Tennessee waltz, when an old friend I happened to see. I introduced her to my darling, and while they were dancing, my friend stole my sweetheart away. I remember the night and the Tennessee waltz. Now I know just how much I have lost. Yes, I lost my little darling the night they were playing the beautiful Tennessee waltz. The beautiful Tennessee waltz.
Thank you.
Have I told you lately that I love you? Could I tell you once again somehow? Have I told you lately that I love you? There we go. All right. Now, darling, I'm telling you now. Give him a hand. This heart would break into a few if you see. I'm no good with
Oh, you done already?
anyhow.
You can keep going.
Dear, have I told you lately that I love you? Well, darling, I'm telling you now.
Thank you. This is my daughter and her kids, my grandkids.
If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be so many times. You made me see that you will always love me. And I will always be happy. I see rainbows in the sky, notice birds when they fly by. I never knew the sky could look so blue. I see sunshine everywhere, you're the reason that I care. I know that I am me because of you. If it wasn't for you, everybody's gone now and having fun. I'm just a fool for staying home and having none. I can't get over how he set me free. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me. One more time. Oh, lonesome me. Woo-hoo. Dream lover, dream, dream lover, dream lover, dream, dream lover. Every night I hope and pray. Dream lover, dream, dream lover, dream lover, dream, dream lover. Woo!
You need to do an announcement.
Lights and cataracts and hearing aids and glasses, Pollyanna and fix-it and false teeth and glasses, pacemakers, golf carts and porches with swings, These are a few of my favorite things. When the pipes leak, when the bones creak, when the knees go bad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad.
Okay, we're gonna dedicate this song to Rosanne's daughter Amanda. I actually wrote it for her. Yeah.
We can hear your song.
She happened to be in town.
I couldn't decide what I wanted, what I needed. You came along, you told me you loved me, you begged and you pleaded. Why can't you decide how much that you love me? Why won't you open up your eyes so you can see? Slowly let me take you around and make me happy. Now you see that you and me are meant to be. When I'm up and down, turn around, you still love me. Well, laugh and cry, I don't know why you still love me. Slowly let me take you around and make me happy. Now I see that you and me are meant to be. When I'm up and down, turn around, you still love me. Well, laugh and cry, I don't know why you still love me.
Kids are dancing. My daughter Amanda's here. And we're still singing. She's changing the battery.
No coyotes howling to the moon. I don't even own a saddle or a horse to sing along. I'm a new cowgirl singing an old cowboy song. I wanna be blue, I wanna be sad, I wanna be lonely, I wanna feel bad. Just let me cry over you like an old-time cowboy singing the blues. I'm a new cowgirl singing an old cowboy song. I'm a new cowgirl singing an old cowboy song. Yodeling.
Thank you for having us.
Oh, you like that one? Look, he's going up.
You've been a wonderful audience. Thank you.
Thank you.
Amanda ran into Hobby Lobby, and I am watching the kids, and then I babysitted Davey. Let's see what today brings.
Childhood days are the best I know, and the dish run away with the spoon. Nana, Billy Goat, catch me. We were kids, we were happy and free. We ate green apples and we stole a lot of peas. Always remember times like these. Nana, Billy Goat can catch me. We were kids, we were happy and free. We ate green apples and we stole a lot of peas. I'll always remember times like these. Na 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 na